dulo pa yung buo ko. So, yun nga. Momentum. Hindi familiar sa momentum. Basta ang momentum ay contain siya ng 1 kilo or mass and meter times meter per second. Siya isang second. So, madalas Newton siya. So, in short, pag pinagsama mo yung velocity tsaka yung mass, magiging siyang momentum. Kasi yung velocity naman, it contain distance and time. So, merong meter and second yung velocity. Yung mass naman, merong kilo. In order to create momentum, kailangan mo ng kilo, meter, and second. So, para mag-create ng momentum, kailangan mo lang ipag-multiply yung velocity na mayroong distance and time sa mass na may kilo para mag-create ng momentum. Now, from momentum, paano naman makuha yung mass or yung velocity? Pag meron ka naman momentum, para makuha mo lang yung mass, tatanggalin mo lang yung second, yung meter, tsaka second. So, i-divide mo lang yung velocity na may contain ng meter and second para makuha mo yung mass. Now, kung meron kang momentum, gusto mo lang makuha yung velocity, tatanggalin mo lang yung kilo. So, i-divide mo lang yung mass sa momentum para makuha yung velocity. So, alam mo lang yung unit, madali lang siya. So, kinetic energy, yeah, the formula is pretty confusing. Kung sa Newton S o Newton per seconds, isa lang yung second. Sa joules naman kasi kumpleto siya. Meron siyang kilogram, meron siyang meter squared, tsaka second squared. So, kinetic energy, yung formula is 1/2 times m 1/2 of mass, tsaka velocity per squared. And, it's confusing. So, kalahati lang ng mass, tsaka time sa sarili ng velocity. Pag times mo sa sarili yung velocity, yung meter per second mo magiging meter square per second squared. That actually makes sense. Ang hindi ko lang maintindihan yung bakit mo kailangan i-1/2 yung mass. Kailangan mo ba hatiin yung mass in order to create it as joules or kinetic energy? KT. Sa bagay, sa kinetic energy, kasama ba yung gravity doon? Ang gravity naman kasi meron siya 9.8 meter per second square. So, hindi mo na kailangan yung velocity. I-square yung velocity kung meron pa. Pero pag times mo yung gravity sa velocity, magiging siyang, yeah, that's gonna work out. Magiging cube seconds yung, sa formula naman sa power, fun fact, the power is the rate of transfer energy. It is the work done in unit time. That's the energy. Yung formula naman ng energy is equal to P as in joules, I think. Watts. Yeah, watts. Watts and equal to energy over time. So here, parang nakikita ko yung energy o yung E sa ibabaw is joules siya. Sa ilalim naman is time. So, i-remove mo lang yung time para makuha mo lang yung power. Pag niremove mo yung time sa joules, magiging siyang kilogram meter square per second. So joules S, joules over S. Joules per second. Meron naman no watts and P. Watts din tong double word. This time. Work. Joules yun. Same lang. So watts is equivalent to kilogram meter square per second. Very interesting. Pag kulang ng hindi siyang watts. G over S. Work done is a product of magnitude of this displacement and component of the force that is in direction of displacement. Distance, force, and work done. Angular velocity. The vector measure of the rotational rate which refer to how fast an object rotates or revolves to another point. Ito, this is much more complicated than I thought. Yung angular velocity. Kasi dito, require mo hanapin yung mga angle. Pero, ang insured lang dito, yung radius mo, yung radius, sa ilalim may rad. Tapos naman, yung isang revolution is, revolution per 2 pi rad or radian. Kasi yung radian mo, yung number mo na bago yung radian. Radian mo is parang distance. So, meron kang 15 meter per radian. Sa ilalim yung radian. Blah, blah, blah. Revolution. Speed, velocity, and radius. Angular velocity rad per second. Yung angular is yung rad. So, small letter, big letter. So, angular over time. Makuha mo yung angular velocity. Pwede rin naman speed over radius. So, you get the angular velocity. Centimeter and seconds. Yeah, iba rin yung ginagamit nila na measurement. Imbis na regular na meter, minsan centimeter yung hinihingi. Pero pwede mo na convert yun sa 100. So, I'm not sure centimeter yung 100 ba ng centimeter? So, divided by 100 para maging meter yun. Para maging centimeter yung meter. Okay. Centi mas maliit. So, 100 na mas mataas ang meter kaysa sa centimeter. Energy. Potential energy, stored energy. Kinetic energy is moving energy. PE. Potential energy. Ito yung pinagsama-samang distance o tinatawag na height. Pag merong height, automatic meron yan gravity. So, height or distance, meron yan gravity na 9.8 meter per second squared. Tapos yung P, potential energy naman is joules kuting kilogram times meter squared per second squared. In order to makompleto mo yung kilogram, meter squared, tsaka yung second squared, tapos samasahin mo lang yung height na mayroong meter, gravity na may meter per second squared, and kilogram na mass. To create a joules that contain kilogram per meter square per second. Vice versa, kung hahanapin mo rin yung mass, kailangan mo nang tanggalin yung gravity and height or yung meter para makuha mo yung mass. So, makuha yung height, tanggalin mo na yung gravity, tsaka yung mass sa joules. PE. Natal, my equation to. FW times H. So, height and weight. Weight force. Weight force, yung Newton, kundi meron na yan kilogram. Meter per second squared. Yeah, Newton always have kilogram times meter second squared. So, dadagdagan mo lang ng isang meter para maging joules. So, kaya yung height ng dadagdag. Parang yung weight force, pinagsama lang siyang gravity and mass. Weight force. Torque, measurement of force, which cases something to go around the point. Yung torque naman, ganun din, joules lang din to. Kaya lang directionally, may direction. Something like that. Kasi dito kasi force and distance lang pagsamahin mo para mag-create ka ng torque. So, torque, kunyari, yung nga example dito, may Newton siya, yung force. Again, force, meron na yung kilogram, meter, second square. So, pag dinagdagan mo ng distance, so yung meter, boom, may joules ka na. Yun na yung torque. Yung pinagkaiba ng nito, may direction to. Ito siyang counter or counterclockwise. Counterclockwise, plug with direction is pag ko na right. Yeah, I think so. Clockwise, baba sa right. Counterclockwise. Yeah, may direction yung torque. Parang siyang yung speed and velocity. Velocity and speed are the same. Velocity only have direction. Speed doesn't have direction. They contain similar units. Ang funny sa torque is, minsan na magamit siya ng angle. Inaano mo talaga yung angle sa point sa nakadikit yung object. Now, let's break down yung mga sasabihin natin. Maybe not. That's all.